Divorce coaching with Leave Strong Divorce Services offers you guidance through every stage of the divorce process, from contemplation and preparation to mediation, litigation, or even self-representation. Divorce coaching can replace your complete dependence on an attorney and accelerate you through your divorce in a cost-efficient, confidential manner. If you're in a contemplation stage, trying to determine if divorce or separation is right for you, Laura can clarify what the process involves, explain your options, and offer insights into what your life might look like during and after divorce. If you're in the preparation stage, you probably don't even know what you need to know. Laura can save you thousands of dollars in unnecessary legal fees by sharing her resources that will organize and help you prioritize what you need to do to leave strong. If you're already fully engaged in your divorce process, Laura can empower you to hone your focus, assess the cost-benefit of your divorce style, and help you craft and negotiate strong proposals that keep you in control of your outcome. If you're a resident of California and are planning to self-represent, Laura can support you by preparing your legal documents, assist you in creating written proposals, and prepare you to speak on your own behalf in court. If you have discovered that self-representation is not in your best interest, Laura will refer you to other mediators or connect you with an attorney. Wherever you are in your divorce process, you will benefit from the experience, skills, and training divorce coach Laura McGee brings to her practice.